All right. What's happening? 2.8 graph linear inequalities in two variables. So this is the last section in this chapter, so decent chance we're looking at a test end of week. Okay.
I'm okay with that.
All right. So, the first thing here is to tell whether the given ordered pairs are solutions of the inequality. So, y is less than or equal to negative 5x. And we have 3, 2, and negative 2, 1. So there's a couple things we could do here. We could decide that we're going to graph it and then just see if the point falls in the shaded area. Or we can just plug in the points and see if it's a true statement. I like the plugging in. It's less graphing. It just seems easier. So, starting with 3, 2. 2 is less than or equal to negative 5 times 3. Well, 2 is less than or equal to negative 15. That's not true, so not a solution. Negative 2, 1. 1 is less than or equal to negative 5 times negative 2. 1 is less than or equal to 10. Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a solution. All right, do we need to see a second one of those, or are we okay?
No, that's like beef.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah, I don't plug in.
This is hands down the hardest section we've done all year.
Yeah,
I
I
know.
know.
My brain is
I'm
throbbing.
totally gonna fail.
My brain is throbbing from all these calculations.
All right, I'm gonna put some grid lines up here just to graph. It makes it a little easier. Okay, you don't have to, because again, they don't have to be exact. Honestly, these grid lines get a little bit difficult to see. Been doing systems of linear inequalities with Algebra 1, with like graphing like 2 of them. It like gets really hard to see eventually, because for some reason it doesn't like the lines on, I don't know what's going on, but anyways. All right, so 8 is x is greater than or equal to 6. So what I tell them, it's up to you guys how you want to do it. You've graphed them before. But if we have greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, what's true about our line? Solid.
Solid.
Yeah. If it is just less than or just greater than, it's dotted. Okay, so usually what I tell them is before they do anything, okay, again, this is just something that I like to do because especially with dotted ones, I forget and I draw the solid line, then I get irritated because I have to go back. Anyways, so solid or dotted for this one? Solid. And is it opening above or below? Okay, I realize it's an X, but when I mean above, I mean in the positive direction, below in the negative direction. Okay, positive direction. Okay, it's opening above. Okay, or we're shading above. I keep saying opening. I think I've got like parabolas on my mind. Anyways, I've done too much graphing recently. All right, so then. All right, so how would I graph this?
You go to
6 on what axis?
X,
Okay.
and then it's just a vertical. I don't know why I said that was a question.
And then I'm shading above. Okay, if you want to use a highlighter to shade, you can. If you just like want to make your page look pretty.
Yeah, I don't care about.
I'm using color drawings. Those are from Amazon, and I literally love them. They make my notes so pretty.
I got those markers that are supposed to be those ones that are like, you draw them and the inside is supposed to be like silver and the outside is supposed to be like a color. Like when you write with them, they don't work that well. It's kind of depressing.
I got these erasable pens from Amazon. There's like 16 of them in a pack, and they're so colcolorful and they're great. I've had them for a year, and they still
I
haven't
have
done
shell and
That's
I think
awesome.
they were like $20.
I love erasable pens.
Me too, because I make a lot of mistakes.
yeah.
That
But I
too.
don't like pencils.
And they make my notes look really pretty. Or bleeding, because I use bread.
All right, number 12. Y is less than 3x plus 3. All right, so solid or dotted?
Dotted.
Dotted. Shaded where?
Below.
Down.
Okay, below, down, whatever.
I forgot to spell below.
What are you asking for?
But it's not all yours.
All right, so graphing this, of course, like near the graph, the grid lines go away for y'all to be able to see. But all right, I got my y-intercept at 3. I've got a slope of 3, so I can either go up 3 and over 1, or I can go down 3 and back 1. Okay, we're dotted. Don't forget that.
Okay, so. Wait.
Then for shading, I'm down here, right? Okay, so it's where these y values are smaller than the line, okay? This whole area. All right, I'm gonna do 2 more, and then if y'all are good,
I did.
then we're good.
I did that, dude. I just choose one.
All right, 14. Y is greater than or equal to negative 2/3 x minus 2. Solid or dotted? Solid. And shaded where?
Above.
Above. All right, so y-intercept at negative 2. I've got a negative slope, so I'm going to go down 2 over 3. Or up 2, back 3.
How do you wait? Oh, never mind. No, don't wait.
Don't wait.
I'm just trying to figure out things. I don't know.
Are you good? Am I going too fast?
No, I'm just confusing myself.
Oh, okay.
Say no more, Josh.
Doesn't matter which way the arrow is faced. Does it have to go that way or can it go this?
That'll be the
What?
wrong points.
Well, I have a negative slope, so it's got to go down.
That'll be going
No.
And then I'm shading above, so I'm shading.
Can the graphing calculator actually do that, like the shading?
What?
Yeah.
Wait, it can shade?
No way.
I know the new ones can. I'm pretty sure the old ones can. Let me see.
Yeah, mine probably don't.
What?
What?
The dead again.
My calculator cleared everything again. That's rude.
It's very rude.
Yeah, you should put it in a timeout.
You should beat it up.
Whoa.
No, that's just
Whoa,
aggressive.
Whoa, whoa.
No, that's totally not aggressive. What are you talking about?
It's a calculator. They have feelings too.
Yeah, people don't have feelings.
You need to feel
I
pain.
can say people don't have
They say
feelings.
they don't.
People don't have feelings. Humans don't have emotions.
No, I'm sad. See? No emotions.
Love, what humans call love, is just a chemical reaction that goes through humans. Sorry,
Oh, dang, David.
this is true.
Well, I'm gonna still believe in love and watch Hallmark movies. Now that's true love. Hallmark movies.
Oh my god.
It gotta be snowing
It's
on.
not
It's
love
always
if
the
it's-
Christmas Hallmark movies.
It's not
so-
love,
Yeah.
it's not snowing in the last
It
1
can
minute.
shade.
That's not that problem,
Is that
but
binary?
Does
How do
that
you-
look like binary?
Yeah, I don't know.
it's weird. It's not because that's. Oh wait, because if it's you have to. Okay, so hold on. We'll finish this and then I'll show you how to do it.
true though.
All right, one more problem.
Gotta be snowing.
Are
I
you
come back to
screen
my home.
recording?
It's gotta be snowy.
I
A
come
man,
back
Huh?
to my
Are you
hometown.
screen
a man moves to
Yeah.
a new town and he's
All right, x plus 4y is greater than negative 12. All right, so what do I need to do to be able to graph this one?
So move
Yeah,
the
Y by
x
itself.
over first.
Okay, so 4y is greater than negative x minus 12.
Divide by
And then divide by 4, yes.
Divided by 4. Y is greater than negative 1/4 x minus 3. All right, so negative 3, and then down 1 over 4, up 1 back 4, and solid or dotted.
Dotted.
My epically straight line here.
We'll stay down.
And are we shading above or below?
where we want.
Above.
Okay, so let me go ahead and write down what your problems will be, and then we'll,
Hard to draw a straight line when it's dotted.
I know.
I know it's like.
Damn,
You know what I mean?
But I'm fine.
Alright, and then I'll show you how to do it on your calculator. I'll write that down.